Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I'm going to show you my Grove collaborative haul for this month. If you guys are interested to see what I got, just keep on watching. You see I have braces, you guys. If you guys are interested to see why I have braces and how long I had them on and stuff like that and the details, I will leave it in the iCard up above. I know I kind of look weird and I'm trying to talk normal and stuff, so please bear with me. I can barely see myself in the viewfinder, so yeah, I know it's kind of weird and I've been gone for a while, but I'm back. So let's get started with this haul. So the first thing I would like to show you is the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. You guys know I love this, I live by this, and I got it in the scent Spice Pumpkin. It looks like this. Smell it. This smells really good. It smells exactly like Spice Pumpkin. It smells like a pumpkin spice latte. It smells so good, and I cannot wait to use this. I love using this when it's fall. So that's October. It's for me. Fall starts in September, October, and November. I'm so excited to use this, guys. So yeah, I got this. Sorry guys if I'm talking. Sorry guys if I'm talking weird. Like I said, I'm just trying to adjust to my braces. I had them in for 2.5 weeks, so please bear with me. The next thing I got is the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. I love this as well. This is the Spice Pumpkin scent. It looks like this. And this smells exactly like, oh, it got the top, hold on. Let me bust that open. Yep, it smells exactly like the spray. As you guys know, I always tell you, sometimes the soap don't smell like the multi-purpose cleaner. Sometimes it smells different, but yeah, these smells the same. This smells the same as the multi-surface cleaner, so it smells really good. The next thing I got is the multi-surface everyday cleaner in the scent Mum by Mrs. Meyer's. It looks like this. This smells, let me see, it's been a while. This smells so good. It smells so fresh. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to see what it says. Oh my gosh. It don't say what it smells like, but it don't describe the smell, but it smells so freaking good. It smells delicious. I love this scent. Let me smell it again. It smells so good. I get this every year. Last year was my first time getting it, and I had to get it again. I only got the spray in this, but it smells so freaking good. I highly recommend it. The next Mrs. Meyer product I got is the dish soap again in Acorn Spice. This smells exactly like fall, you guys. It looks like this. This smells exactly like fall. I'm not even playing, like, oh, I gotta pop it open again. Hold on. I'm not even kidding you. If you just want to get in the spirit of the season, I suggest you get this. It smells so good. The Spice Pumpkin smells like Spice Pumpkin latte, but this right here, it smells like fall. Like, I guarantee you. I do have the spray already in this. I got it at Target, so I just needed the dish soap, and I also got the hand soap. Yeah, so I got the same scent in hand soap. It looks like this. You guys, this smells exactly like fall. I'm not even kidding. This gives me I smell it and now it gets me right into the fall spirit. Like, I love smelling this. I wish I had a candle for this. I would be burning it all throughout my house. It smells so freaking good. The next thing I got is it's got hair all over this. The next thing I got is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent Citron. You guys know I live by this. This is my holy grail when it comes to anti-bac cleaners. I love the scent in bamboo as well, but I'm trying to switch it up. So I got a lot of bamboos, but this smells good. Also, it just smells like citrus, really. It just smells like lemons. Well, not exactly lemon, it smells like citrus. You know, it smells really, really good. And I really love cleaning with this. The next Method product I got is the glass and surface cleaner. This is really, really good. I did see everybody cleaning with the spray now. It's in the spray can or something like that. I don't know the brand of that. And I don't know if it's, you know, if it has the same thing as Grove Collaborative where, you know, it's not toxic. So I don't know nothing about that, but it does look like it cleans good. But this clean well is also, this clean good also, and it also not toxic with no ammonia or any of that. So this is really good. It looks like this. You know, I'm not, I love trying new products, so if I do see it, I will try it and tell you guys how it is, the one in the spray can, but until then, I am sticking with this one. This one is really, really good. The last thing I got, you guys, is the certified compostable cleaning wipes. I never cleaned with these before. I got this for free. It looks like this. I never clean with this, you guys. I don't even know how it smells or even if it has a scent. Let me see. It doesn't have a scent. It don't smell like anything. Like I said, I never used this before, so next time I do my Grove Collaborative, I will let you know, or maybe not, because sometimes you guys, I'll use all the stuff I have first, and then these probably be the last thing. Like if I don't have any more cleaning products I ran out, I'm waiting on my order from Grove Collaborative, something like that. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I really don't use something like this unless I need it, like if I run out of everything. So hopefully I will tell you guys how it is. I think for me, I think it's just anything you just need to wipe down at that moment, you know, something quick, get it out and wipe it down. So that's exactly what I would be doing. Or if I run out of my Grove Collaborative, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. So yeah, that is all for this Grove Collaborative haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, you guys, I will be leaving the link down below where you can get a 5 3-piece gift set for your first order of Grove Collaborative. I will leave the link down below. It is amazing, you guys. If you guys have not tried Grove Collaborative, they're coming out with the holiday scents. I will be getting it the end of this month, early next month, and I can't wait to show you guys. They got a new scent. It is called Snowdrop from Mrs. Myers, and I will be getting peppermint and also my favorite, which is Iowa Pine. I'm so excited for that. So be on the lookout for that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.